Hi Virgo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and today we're going to be doing a love read for you. Virgo, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's see, Virgo, what's going on with you, what's going on with your person, and what action we can expect in this connection. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Virgo and send them the messages they need to hear the most for their love life now. Thank you. Alright Virgo, let's start your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And yes, I'm still very unsettled, still in my temporary setting, but this will continue for a couple of weeks. Don't worry, I'm not. So as long as the readings keep going, that's what matters, right? Alright, so newbies, I'm setting down two sets of cards here. One side will be for you, one side will be for your person, and in the center I'm going to have your dialogue message cards, your mutual energies, etc. If this is your reading, you'll know which side you're on, because for me this is going to be person A, this is going to be person B. Person A and person B. This is action for person A, action for person B. Bottom of my deck, I have the Empress in reverse. Virgo, what happened? Empress in reverse is somebody who feels there's no more growth to be had, no more abundance to be had in a connection, maybe upset that they've been disrespected maybe. Let me look at the cards. Nine of Wands and the Moon in reverse. Okay, so one person is being a little defensive here, maybe after some things were revealed, some things have come out in the open. The other person wants to come out of this feeling of feeling stuck and feeling regret and feeling guilt. So let's see what's going to happen now. I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards here, Virgo. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be. No, I have the wrong deck. 1 second. Okay. Virgo and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Virgo and their person. Virgo and their person, they could say something to each other now. Okay. I'll take a few more from another deck, Virgo. Oops. This one, Virgo and their person. And Virgo, if any of you are looking for personal readings, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Virgo and their person. Alright Virgo, let's start your reading. The first card here says, I would be honored to have a family with you. Telling you that I need you will be the hardest thing I'll ever have to do. Have you moved on with someone else who treats you better than I did? That thought is so painful. The journey has been difficult but needed. I'm proud of who I've become. They keep saying you're coming back, but you're not here yet. Are you coming back? I wasn't ready for our connection. I got a whiff of your scent. It made me smile remembering you. Missing you so much. We truly did have something special. Alright Virgo, these were some of the messages for you, and if these were resonating, let's start our reading. I'm going to start with an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you first. Message, dialogue, blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Blessings of abundance. Alright Virgo, whatever's happening here, I don't know, but you are being blessed with a lot of abundance in your life. And somebody did say, I've become proud of who I've become. Maybe there were lessons to be learnt in this connection, and the universe will soon be rewarding you, so don't worry about it, okay? Let's put this card here and start our reading. So, Nine of Wands spirit. Nine of Wands. I'm starting with the energies of person A and person A only, so don't get confused, okay? Virgo, you could be either side, I wouldn't know. So, Nine of Wands. Why is one person in the Nine of Wands energy? They're very angry. They're very, very upset. They are defending themselves. They're guarding themselves against a King of Pentacles, who they feel is a very ungrounded energy, who is so busy with their own stuff, their own money, their own life, their own house, car, whatever. Very miserly, not giving them the respect that they should have given an empress. So somebody is very upset and angry and is the kind of now guarding themselves, holding themselves back. So the Moon card, what got revealed here, person A? What got revealed here? The Moon. That somebody was out for their own happiness. Somebody wanted to control this connection. They were a little stubborn, maybe, even though I think at one time the same person did give person A lot of happiness. They soon realized that, this person is behaving in a very... Oh, just a minute, just a second. Let me just switch my phone off. Sorry about the disruption. My phone is switched off now. So basically what came out was, yes, even though I think at one point person B did make person A happy, they soon realized that person B is very, very stubborn and likes things their way. That led to person A saying, hey, I better start guarding my own energy now. No, I'm not even sure whether I want to restart anything with them. Person A seems really upset and angry with person B. So what happened, person B, in the recent past that you may, have started feeling this way? Two of Wands in reverse. Maybe there was a decision to be made. Somebody wanted, maybe person A wanted person B to make a choice or a decision, but that wish of theirs never came true. All they wanted was that person B should choose one, get them out of this confusion, but they felt that person B was always lying to them, not making any decision. So I think person A finally got fed up. They released them and they felt this was becoming too toxic. And I have to release the devil now. I have to let them go because they are just not speaking the truth. So how do you feel about the connection now, person A? Person A says, I don't trust them. I don't trust them. I'm not sure whether I want to have another go around with them. They keep too many secrets from me, and I'm not even sure this is a soulmate anymore, or if this was, then it's a soulmate connection gone wrong. They are too secretive and I don't trust them anymore. I'm so upset with them that I don't even feel passion for them anymore. They whenever they do message me, or they barely ever message me actually, but they make me feel like I'm not important to them. It's always their way or the highway. I'm always made to feel that I'm not good enough. So person A is very upset with them. Let's see what action person A is going to take. In actuality, we'll open later, Virgo. Let's go on to the other side and see how person B is faring. So person B, why do you have the Five of Cups in reverse? Well, they're very, very stressed out. They can't sleep at night. They want to return so desperately. They want to come back. They want to come back. They don't want to live in this sadness that they've been feeling, this regret, this unhappiness that they've been feeling. They want to get out of that and return back to person A. They are really, really stressed out, being unable to rest, or their mind just keeps going round and round about why, what should I do now? They want to get unstuck so bad that the Hangman came out twice. It got clarified by the Hangman in reverse. Please get me out of this stuck place, God. Please, universe, help me, get me unstuck. So, where do you want to get unstuck from, person B? Where do you want to get unstuck from? Oh, they're going through a tower moment. They feel everything's been disrupted. Something has happened which has blown their life out of proportion. They just want to get out of this shock that they're feeling at the change that's happened between the two of you. So what happened? How did you reach this place, person B? What happened in the recent past? Magician. Maybe they were being a bit of an illusionist. Yeah, they were not investing in the connection. They were trying to flower over their words and say things which they didn't mean, do things which they thought they could, get away with it. They thought luck was on their side. They could just kind of continue being that magician and not have to decide or put in any work in this connection. And when I think they finally got exposed, this Queen of Pentacles could have dropped them. Person A could have dropped them. Somebody who's very loving, kind, generous, everything, perfect spouse, could have realized that, hey, this is an unequal situation. What am I doing here? Something came out in the open to this Queen of Pentacles, I think, who realized that this is not an equal partnership, and it's best, how long will I stay in and out and never being, my person always creating illusions and never deciding on our future. So I think person A could have dropped them. So how do you feel now, person B? How do you feel about the connection, or how do you feel about your person? Person B says, I just want to have a good night's sleep, Omkara Tarot. I am so stressed out all the time. If only I could, find peace again and be able to rest. I am in a miserable space. Nine of Swords in reverse. Yes, they don't want this connection to end. That's for sure. They don't want this connection to end, and they are still manifesting. They're still being the magician. But what are you manifesting now, person B? What are you manifesting now? They're realizing that injustice has been done. Their person is no longer wanting to, their person is angry with them, no longer coming towards them, no longer offering them that loving, caring. They are manifesting that this Empress should now put that guard down. Yes, because there's no talking between the two of you. Nobody's really putting in the work to make this right. I think they have no choice now but to make a choice to say, I want a forever with you. What's the Lover's spirit? What's the Lover's card? This has been a big burden to them. This committing and making that choice has been very hard on person B to do. I think that's the reason they've always kind of snuck away, they've run away, they've tried to avoid it. They were trying to have their cake and eat it too. They were happy the way things were, where their 9 cups were full. So how do you feel about the connection now, person B? They feel they're scared. They're scared if they do return. They do want to return, but if they do return, it may end up in another fight. If they don't offer stability, they know they have to do the right thing or else. Okay, so let's see what actions you guys will take. Person A, what action will you take now towards person B or this connection or otherwise? I'm going to use another deck for this one, Virgo. And if this reading has been resonating or even entertaining you, if you could just hit that thumbs up button, it helps the videos to circulate. Just a reminder. Thank you. Person A. Person A has gone into hermit mode. They are saying, hey, I am tired. I am going to think about this now. I've been mistreated. They are trying to also manifest something. Magician keeps coming out for you guys. What are you manifesting, person A? Okay, Chariot, 3 of Wands, and their Emperor. This Empress is actually heart of hearts waiting for their Emperor. They've gone into a little bit of spiritual mode, I would say, trying to understand this connection. As angry as they are, I think they're still waiting for their Emperor to come towards them. There is some waiting going on. There is some waiting going on to see if person B will actually come towards them and do the right thing. Be that Emperor to the Empress. So, person B, the onus is on you now. Are you going to take any action? The Sun card, happiest card in the deck. Okay, so what you going to do with the Sun card, person B? What's the action? What's the action you intend to take? Action for person B. The World card. Okay, one more. That's good. Okay, so they're getting over. They want to come out of this not offering or feeling rejected, sad. They want to now drop the in and out. I think they do want to start a brand new chapter. Am I right, Spirit? One more for the action. The Star. They are wishing and praying for their happiness. Also, Six of Wands, victory, Four of Wands, forever, Four of Pentacles, holding on, and the Heartbreak card. They're very heartbroken. I think this person is wishing and praying for a brand new chapter. But they're sitting in heartbreak for some reason because I think they feel their Empress is holding back from them. So will you take any action or are you just going to sit there in heartbreak, person B? I want one more card for the action that you will take now. What's the action that you're going to take? They're coming. King of Wands. They're coming. They are going to be taking action very soon. They can't live in this heartbreak any longer. I mean, I asked for one card and this is a perfect card for action. The King of Wands takes action. They'll be coming in. They'll be coming in. They're very heartbroken only because they feel that their Empress doesn't want them and is holding back from them. All right, so that was nice. Till next time then, Virgo, love and light. Don't forget to hit the like button. Tell me how many I'm resonating with, okay? Thank you so much. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.